Greetings. I am your host, Mr. Bones, and today I will be demonstrating to you the I was taking a casual stroll through the kitchen when suddenly I saw my spooky pals, Dragaboats and Quackerboats, making a mess. I quickly went to the closet and grabbed my trusty Norwex dry mop system. No need for any scary chemicals with Norwex. Now the floor is spotlessly clean, but I fear not for long. I overheard those two are planning to make more terrifying treats. Until next time. To see more fun demos, visit at Jen's Creative Cleaners on YouTube and Facebook. Until we meet again. Ha 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 ha.